Imagine standing in a bustling city. Bitcoin towers like a skyscraper. Ethereum builds bridges to the future. And then there's Solana, a new kid moving faster than anything you've seen. While Bitcoin and Ethereum dominate, Solana quietly makes waves, solving crypto's biggest challenges: scalability, speed, and cost. With its lightning-fast transactions and low fees, Solana is redefining blockchain technology. It's not just a competitor, it's a game changer, powering the future of DeFi, NFTs, and even meme coins. But what makes Solana so special? Let's dive in and uncover why this speedster is turning heads and reshaping the crypto world. What is Solana? At its core, Solana is a decentralized blockchain designed to do one thing exceptionally well: process transactions at lightning speed. But it's not just fast, it's also incredibly cheap. While Bitcoin and Ethereum have struggled with scalability and high fees, Solana has emerged as a solution that promises to handle thousands of transactions per second without breaking a sweat. Launched in 2020 by Anatoly Yakovenko and a team of brilliant engineers, Solana was built to address the limitations of existing blockchains. Ethereum, for example, uses a proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanism, which, while secure, can be slow and energy-intensive. Solana, on the other hand, uses a unique combination of proof-of-stake (POS) and something called proof-of-history (POH). This innovative approach allows Solana to process transactions faster and more efficiently than its competitors. But what exactly is proof-of-history? Think of it as a cryptographic clock that timestamps every transaction before it's added to the blockchain. This ensures that the order of transactions is verifiable without requiring every node in the network to validate the entire history. It's like having a time-stamped receipt for every transaction, making the whole process faster and more efficient. Why is Solana so fast? Let's put Solana's speed into perspective. Bitcoin can handle around 7 transactions per second, TPS. Ethereum, about 30 TPS. These numbers might sound impressive, but they pale in comparison to Solana's staggering 65,000 TPS. Yes, you read that right, 65,000 transactions per second. That's faster than most traditional payment systems like Visa, which processes around 24,000 transactions per second. But speed isn't the only thing that sets Solana apart. It's also incredibly affordable. On Ethereum, gas fees, the cost of processing transactions, can sometimes skyrocket, making it expensive to send even small amounts of crypto. Solana, on the other hand, keeps its transaction fees under a cent. This combination of speed and low cost makes Solana a game changer for developers and users alike. How does Solana's blockchain work? So, how does Solana achieve this incredible speed and efficiency? The secret lies in its unique consensus mechanism. While most blockchains rely on proof of work or proof of stake, Solana combines proof of stake with proof of history. Here's how it works. Proof of stake. Validators on the Solana network stake their coins to validate transactions. In return, they earn rewards. This system is more energy efficient than proof of work and helps keep the network secure. Proof of history. This is where the magic happens. POH timestamps every transaction, creating a verifiable record of when it occurred. This eliminates the need for nodes to communicate extensively to agree on the order of transactions, drastically reducing confirmation times. By combining these two mechanisms, Solana achieves unparalleled speed and scalability. It's like having a well-oiled machine where every part works in perfect harmony. The power of Solana, a new era of finance. Now that we've covered the technical stuff, let's talk about why Solana matters for decentralized finance. DeFi. DeFi is one of the most exciting developments in the crypto space, offering a way to access financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading without intermediaries like banks. Ethereum has been the go-to platform for DeFi, with projects like Uniswap and Aave leading the charge. But as Ethereum's network has become more congested, users have faced high fees and slow transactions. With its low fees and blazing fast speeds, Solana has become a haven for DeFi projects. Take Serum, for example. A decentralized exchange, DEX, built on Solana, allows users to trade cryptocurrencies directly, without intermediaries, and at a fraction of the cost of Ethereum-based DEX. Then there's Radium, another Solana-based DEX that's gaining traction for its speed and efficiency. But it's not just about speed. Solana's architecture also supports advanced features like transaction compression and multi-asset support, making it easier for developers to build innovative DeFi applications. This has led to a surge in DeFi activity on Solana, with more projects migrating to the platform every day. A game changer for creators and collectors. If DeFi is one side of the crypto coin, NFTs are the other. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have taken the world by storm, offering a way to own unique digital assets like art, music, and even virtual real estate. Ethereum has been the dominant platform for NFTs, but it comes with a catch: high gas fees and network congestion. A game changer for creators and collectors. Solana is changing the game. With its low fees and fast transactions, Solana has become a popular choice for NFT creators and collectors. Platforms like Magic Eden, a Solana-based NFT marketplace, are making it easier than ever to buy, sell, and trade NFTs. And because Solana's fees are so low, it's more accessible to a broader audience. But it's not just about affordability. Solana's speed and scalability also make it ideal for gaming NFTs in virtual worlds. Imagine a game where you can buy, sell, and trade in-game assets in real time, without worrying about high fees or slow transactions. That's the kind of experience Solana is enabling. Why is Solana the ultimate playground for meme coins? Solana has become the go-to platform for meme coins due to its unmatched speed, low transaction fees, and scalability. Meme coins often rely on high transaction volumes and active trading communities, which can be costly and slow on networks like Ethereum. Solana's ability to process up to 65,000 transactions per second at a fraction of a cent per transaction makes it ideal for the fast-paced nature of meme coin markets. Additionally, its growing ecosystem and user-friendly development tools provide an accessible foundation for creators looking to launch and scale their meme coins. As a result, Solana has quickly emerged as the preferred blockchain for fun, fast, and cost-effective crypto projects. Meme coins like Bonk and Samoyed Coin have gained massive popularity on Solana meme coins, proving that the network isn't just for serious financial applications, it's also a playground for creativity and community-driven projects. The growing Solana ecosystem. Solana isn't just a blockchain, it's an ecosystem. From DeFi and NFTs to gaming, social platforms, and beyond, Solana is becoming the go-to platform for innovative applications. The growing Solana ecosystem. Its unique architecture and strong developer community make it an attractive option for anyone looking to build decentralized applications, DApps. And it's not just developers who are flocking to Solana. Institutional investors and retail users alike are taking notice, drawn by its speed, scalability, and low costs. This growing support is helping to solidify Solana's position as one of the most promising blockchain projects of our time. Challenges and the road ahead. Of course, Solana isn't without its challenges. Competition is fierce, with Ethereum 2.0 on the horizon and other blockchains vying for dominance. There's also the question of whether Solana can maintain its speed and scalability as the network grows. But for now, Solana's future looks bright. Its innovative approach to blockchain technology has already made it a major player in the crypto space, and its growing ecosystem suggests that the best is yet to come. In a world where cryptocurrencies are still evolving, Solana stands out as a revolutionary force. Its speed, low fees, and scalability make it an attractive choice for developers, investors, and users alike, powering the future of DeFi, NFTs, and even meme coins. Or the broader crypto space, Solana is a project worth watching. So, what's next for Solana? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, this speedster of the crypto world is just getting started. And if its current trajectory is anything to go by, Solana might just become a household name, right up there with Bitcoin and Ethereum. What do you think about Solana? If you like this video and don't want to miss any more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.